Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel Dribble Up membership. If you want to cancel the membership that you have purchased from Dribble Up, then follow these steps. Go to Dribble Up website, that is dribbleup.com. Then scroll down to the footer menu, and here you will find an option called Manage My Account. Click on it and they will ask you for log into your account. You must log into your account for canceling the membership. Here you can see the manage membership option. Click on it and enter your email address that are registered in Dribble Up website. Then click on let's go and then enter your password. Then there you will get a cancel button or any process that you can cancel Dribble Up membership. Just click on the cancel button and the cancellation process will begin. Follow the on-screen instruction to cancel the subscription. You can also cancel the membership through your Google Play Store or App Store. You can download this app through your Google Play Store or App Store. You can cancel it through your Apple ID, and if you are an Android user, you can cancel the membership of Dribble Up by your Google Play account. Click on your profile and go to payment and subscription section, and here at the second you will find the subscription option. Click on it, and here if you have the membership of Dribble Up, then the membership details will pop up in this section. You just need to click on it and you will find a cancellation button. Then just click on this cancel button and a verification process will begin, and after completing the verification process you just need to confirm the cancellation. That's how you can cancel the membership of Dribble Up. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.